Hi, welcome to Pulpy Tamarind Channel. Today we will see how to make coconut Mysore Pak Barfi. The ingredients are chana dal powder 3/4 cup, grated coconut 1 cup, 3 cups of sugar, clarified butter 1.5 to 2 cups, boiled and warm milk 2 cups. Grease the tray in which you are going to pour the sweet. Take a kadai, keep it on medium heat, and once the kadai is hot, add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. To it add 3/4 cup of chana dal powder and saute it till it's done. That is, the raw smell disappears and the chana dal turns into a light brown shade or reddish shade, and it soaks up all the ghee and gets roasted. And once it's done, add 1 cup of fresh grated coconut and 3 cups of granulated sugar and 2 cups of boiled warm milk. And once you added all the ingredients, keep sauteing it so that it gets mixed into a single consistency of a good mixture. So we need to keep sauteing it consistently, continuously, so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom, and we need to see that we take a thick bottomed pan, and you have to keep on continuously stir it. What's happening is it will emulsify and come as a single mixture, and the whole mixture will keep getting cooked, and you have to keep adding clarified butter whenever you think it is required. The chana dal powder will soak up the ghee and it will get cooked. So we need to it will take around 10 to 15 minutes for this process to end. So till then you have to continuously consistently keep stirring, and once the bubbles form, you know that the process is coming to an end. So keep adding ghee, and the mixture will leave the sides of the kadai. Once it's done, it will leave the sides of the kadai, and so you can see the bubbles forming and it is becoming a thick consistency. So you can see that the mixture is boiling and bubbles are forming, and we need to add more clarified butter and keep stirring it continuously and consistently till it forms a thick paste and leaves the sides of the pan. Now you can see how it's turned opaque and it's coming away from the pan. So this is the time you have to pour it into the grease tray that you have kept ready. And you can also add garnishes of cashew nuts or almonds or pistachios. You can fry them in pure ghee or clarified butter till they turn into golden brown, and then add as garnishes. And one more thing is, because there is sugar in this, what will happen is the moment you remove it on the grease tray, it will start hardening. So you need to make grooves with the help of a knife into the shapes that you require once it's done. So then garnish it with the dry fruits that you have and wait for it to come to room temperature, and then you can make into pieces. Deepen the grooves and cut them into pieces. And one more thing is, once you pour them on the grease tray, you should not use the ladle to even them out. You need to tap the tray to even them out, just how like we do with the cake mixture. Once we are going to bake it, how we don't touch it, but we tap the cake tin so that the mixture evenly spreads. Same thing we need to do here. Instead of using the spoon to even it out, we need to tap the tray on which we have greased and we have poured the mixture. So this will even out itself, and you need to cut with knife and make grooves to cut into the pieces of shapes that you require. It could be diamonds or squares. Please try and make the same at home. Pulpy Tamarind wishes all the viewers a Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching Pulpy Tamarind Channel.